gaan nou vir die oros gee.
Ek het ouders, ek het.
Okay.
Mama, jou hare lyk soos 'n ouma.
Hello guys, so in today's video I want to do a blowout. My hair is in need of a good trim because I feel a lot of fairy knots at the ends and I do have split ends as well, and my hair just feels very dry. I have never trimmed my hair while it's curly because I don't know how to. I can't shape my hair. It's better for me to do a blowout and then trim my ends. So I'm gonna part my hair into sections, making it easier for the blowout. So I'm using the OG Bone Straight conditioner and blow dry lotion on my hair before a blowout. So I just prefer to use the blow dry lotion as well. I apply it to my hair. I don't use too much because I'm also using a heat protectant. I'm going to show you just now. So the heat protectant I'm using is the Tresemme Heat Defense. I bought this at Clicks or Discount, I don't remember. It's really important to use a heat protectant because you are using heat on your hair. You don't want to damage, or you don't want to get heat damage on your hair, so always use a heat protectant. So this is how I blow dry my hair. I keep the hair dryer away from my hair and not directly on my hair. And I use the highest heat setting on the dryer. Although I did use a heat protectant and the blow dry lotion, it's just for safety reasons. I keep the hair dryer away from my hair because I don't want to get heat damage. So I just repeat the process of blow drying my hair, applying the Bone Straight lotion and applying the heat protectant. So I apply placenta on my scalp, but just the front part of my head. Placenta has many hair benefits and my hair density is low. So I'm hoping maybe my hair density can increase. It says that placenta have been shown to increase hair follicle growth and decrease hair shedding. I don't know if it's true because I haven't been very consistent in using this. But yeah, I'm hoping for the best. So after I'm done blow drying my hair, I use the Kerastars oil serum. I love this product, and I apply it to my hair. So after I'm done with the whole blowout and everything, I wrap my hair with the silk hose at night or before I go to sleep. So this is the next morning and I'm taking off my swilkos. This is how my hair looks after the night's rest. So this is how my hair looks from the back. You can see the split ends or the dry ends. So a trim is very much needed. And that was my blowout routine. So till next time guys, bye.